Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to manage videos reposted from your friend's account on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now click on notifications here. You can scroll this bar and see videos reposted from your friend's account on TikTok. By turning it on and off, you can manage your reposted videos from your friends. In this way, these two colors will appear here. If you are interested, turn it on. If you are not interested, turn it off. In this way, you can manage this option on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.